Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken stock with bones. Start by gathering your chicken bones, ideally a mix of backs, necks, and feet for maximum flavor and gelatin. Roasting them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 30 minutes will deepen their taste significantly. This crucial step adds a beautiful golden color and a more robust aroma to your finished stock. Remember to rinse your bones well before roasting to ensure a clear stock. Next, place your roasted bones into a large stock pot. Add your aromatics, 1 large quartered onion, 2 roughly chopped carrots, and 3 celery stalks. For extra depth, include a bay leaf and about 10 whole black peppercorns. Cover everything with cold water, ensuring the water level is about 2 inches above the ingredients. Bring it to a very gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and let it cook for 4 to 6 hours, maintaining a bare simmer. During the first hour of simmering, you'll notice foam and impurities rising to the surface. Use a ladle or a fine mesh skimmer to remove these, ensuring a clearer stock. Once your stock has simmered for 4 to 6 hours, carefully remove all the bones and vegetables. Then, strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve, ideally lined with cheesecloth, to achieve a beautifully clear stock. Rapidly cool the stock in an ice bath to prevent bacterial growth. Once completely cooled, transfer your homemade chicken stock to airtight containers. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. For longer storage, pour it into freezer-safe containers or ice cube trays. It can be frozen for up to 6 months. This rich, flavorful stock is perfect as a base for countless dishes, from hearty soups and stews to delicate sauces and risottos. Enjoy the depth of flavor it brings to your cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.